If you've ever wanted Opera to look and feel more personal, one of the easiest ways to do that is by customizing the fonts. Whether you want a cleaner reading experience, a more modern style, or simply fonts that are easier on your eyes, Opera makes it simple to change them in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to customize fonts in Opera step by step, and by the end, you'll know where to find the font settings and how to update them to your preferred style. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick browser tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. Once Opera is open, press Alt and P on your keyboard. This is a quick shortcut that opens the Settings tab right away, so you don't have to dig through menus manually. When the Settings page opens, look at the left side and select the Appearance option. This section controls how Opera looks, including themes, page style, and font-related settings. Now scroll down until you reach the Appearance section. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a little bit to find it, but once you're there, you'll see the font customization options. Next, click on the Customize Fonts option. This will open the Font Settings panel, where you can change the fonts used in Opera to match your style or readability preferences. From here, you can choose your desired font style and adjust it until it looks exactly how you want. Take your time and test a few different options if needed, because the right font can make a big difference in how comfortable your browser feels to use. Once you've selected the fonts you like, your changes should apply immediately or after you close the settings. And that's it, you've now customized the fonts in Opera. It's a fast and easy way to make your browser feel more personalized and better suited to your needs. If this video helped you out, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.